Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Hudson, Florida, which is outside of Tampa, about maybe like 35-40 minutes away. I have a returning customer here that I'm here to do a soffits and overhand cleaning for her. The gutters, exterior gutters, pretty dirty. It's a one-story house. It has a upper room, so I'm gonna have to shoot with my shooter tip to hit the second story. So we're gonna be doing these exterior gutters here with the soffits. You can see how dirty they are. Same thing with up there. It's pretty dirty. Let's take a walk in here. Show you guys this here. I'm gonna be downstreaming my mix today with my super sud sucker and let it dwell for about 10 minutes, and all this should come off. Shouldn't require any brushing. Just apply my mix, let it dwell, and we'll be good to go. I got 150 feet of high pressure hose pulled all the way over here. I'm gonna start from here, work my way all the way around to the other side of the house. One shot downstream, let it dwell, and come back and rinse. So I got the exterior, the gutters, the soffits all soaked up all around the house, and as you guys can tell, it's already coming off. This is only about maybe 10 minutes since I've applied the chemical, and all I can tell, the algae is nice and soft, so it'll be easy to rinse it off. All right, guys, we all done with the job here. I went and upsold the driveway to get clean, so made the ticket much higher than what I came out here for. Always trying to get your upsell, man. There's nothing wrong with asking while you're there. Hey, your driveway's a little dirty. You mind if I go ahead and clean it for you? You know, I'm already here. So the project is done. All the gutters are cleaned up, real nice. The soffits are nice and white. I did the driveway, the sidewalk, and the little walkway. You know, I went from a $200 ticket to a $350 ticket, and I was here for an hour and a half. So I'm gonna pack it up now. I'm draining some of my water because I don't carry water with me. It makes the van too heavy and it's too much stress on my transmission. So I dump water out before I go to the next job. All right, guys, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. All right, we all set up right here with the second job for the day. We're still in Tampa. Well, right now we're in Tampa, back in Tampa, and I'll be doing this house wash over here behind me, and also they have this partition wall that I'm gonna be doing. The wall itself is pretty dirty, so I'm gonna hit this with a 5% mix, get all this black algae off. Looks like it hasn't been cleaned in a while. There's like a creek along the back, so that creek has a lot of moisture for algae to grow. Even the other side over there looks dirty as heck too, but they only want this side clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mix on the outside here first before I go on the inside. This customer here actually found me through my Google page, Google My Business. He's not too far from me. He's about 15 minutes away from my house. So, but yeah, this ain't nothing hard. Should be out of here in a couple of hours. House wash, wall, driveway, sidewalks, and all that. All right, let's get it. All right, so we got the outside treated. We're gonna move into the inside. Treat the inside already. It's turning brown. So you already know that means everything is dying. Let's move on to the inside. All right, we're on the inside. We're gonna do the same process we did on the outside. So okay, we got both sides of the walls. It's all treated now. I'm gonna let it sit for a good 15 minutes before I start rinsing. Seeing that the surface is very porous, so I'm gonna let the chemicals get deep into the surface before I start rinsing it off. Probably gonna use my my white tip, see how it works. I'm not sure if I have to use a turbo, excuse me, the turbo nozzle, but we'll see. All right, guys, so I got the outside of the wall done. All the algae is off. I used the turbo nozzle to knock it off. No algae is remaining on the outside. I'm gonna move into the inside and knock that part out. And after that, we'll start on the house wash. Got the inside of the wall done now. I might post treat this just to make it pop a little bit more. I don't know. I think it'll look good if I post treat it and let it sit. Might kill a little bit more algae because it's very porous, like I said. But it's looking good. I'm gonna move on to the house wash now. All right, I just got done downstreaming this corner over here of the house because it has the wall, so I can't really walk all around the house. I threw my hose over, so I started on this side here. I downstream my mix all the way around to over there, and they're working on the AC unit over here, so I have to wait for them to pack up their stuff. So when I lap back around, I do the remaining section on this side of the house and the front. All right, so the driveway is all cleaned up, so man, this wall look good. But I'm gonna go ahead and post treat it because there's a lot of tanning stains from this big tree that's over the driveway. So the sidewalk, no matter how much you clean it, those stains gonna remain. So all these stains right here, it's not because I went too fast. It's just the driveway, the sidewalk has those tinning stains. So a roof mix will get these all cleaned up. They'll come right up. So I'm gonna go ahead through and hit all these up so everything can look nice and clean. And to do this, you can also do this with a pump sprayer. I'm just doing it with my 12 volt. because I don't have a pump sprayer with SH in it. So you can either do it with 50-50 mix, or you can even apply it straight. Depends on how much SH you got. Alright guys, like I said, with the post treat, look, all the stains are gone. Nothing is remaining. You don't have to rinse it or nothing. Just let the chlorine, the SH, whatever you want to call it, do the work. Everything looks good. All right, we're all done for the day. 2 projects. Decent side tickets, man. Can't complain, man. So I want to say happy Father's Day to all my fathers that follow me and subscribe to the channel. I hope y'all have a good Father's Day. I'm about to pack it up, man. I'm ready to take a shower and relax. Actually, I gotta get my dad something. So until next time, guys, I'll see y'all. Peace.